Don't turn the camera off. Now listen, folks, I'm going to go over here and cut this off. Listen.
You can hear it good. He's walking around upstairs.
Alright. Turn it off.
See?
Alright, now I'm going to turn it back on. I ain't going to tell y'all when I turn it on.
Turn the light on?
Yep.
Now it ain't working. Alright, now turn it off. Now I'm going to tell y'all when I'm turning it back on. I'm turning it on. Now. Well, it don't work, folks. Huh. Wonder why. It's off. Alright. Let's try it one more time, folks. Nope. Oh, well, we'll just leave it off. Alright. And I'm going to take y'all back over here and let y'all see it is off. Right there.
Yep.
Yep.
Alright then. Oh. It says 4669. Excuse me. Well, anyway, that said 4669 Brook Ridge Road, Roanoke, Virginia 24014, USA. Oh, wow, folks. But I don't live at 4669 Brook Ridge Road, Roanoke, Virginia. I don't live there, folks. Alright, on to the next.
Alright, Alright, now watch. Alright, it's off. But I'm going to turn it on. Hear that? It's over here. Couldn't be this, could it, folks? No? It ain't the freezer. See? Everything's still frozen.
It ain't the freezer. It ain't the freezer. It ain't the freezer.
The reason why, because see, that's plugged in. This is unplugged. I unplugged that last night. Then, oh, I forgot to unplug this. Alright. Then, the washer and dryer is unplugged. And everything's unplugged. See? Alright, then, but y'all heard that, like, hear it? Alright, watch this. Alright, it's on. See? Watch. Alright, now look. See, folks? I don't hear nothing. Hold on. Is this on? Alright, that turns that light off. See? That's off. Then, that controls the light. Off. No light. Then, I don't know about that. Alright, then, look, it's off. Hear that? Alright, now watch. Set y'all right here.
Hold on. The camera cut off on me.
Y'all hear that? Then watch. Now it's off.
That's off.
See, it's off. Let me see what this does.
See? See? And this one says 4118 Pitzer Road. Pitzer Road. Roanoke, Virginia. 24014 USA. And this one,
See, it's off.
with the switch,
Let me see what this does.
says 4669 Brook Ridge Road. Here, hold on. Let me look up Brook Ridge Road real quick, folks. 4669. I want to make sure I have this correct. I'm going to write on this envelope. Okay, that is 4669 Brook Ridge, BROOK. Let me fix that R. BROOK RIDGE Brook Ridge, and then Road RD, and then Roanoke ROANOKE, comma, Virginia, VA, and then 24014, comma, and then USA. All right, now. Okay, now let me look this up, folks. I wonder whose house this is. Hold on. Okay, let's find out, folks. Street view. Huh. Let's see. Alright, 4669 Brook Ridge Road. Huh. Looks like, I don't know, it's on a lot with the mailbox. Huh. And then here's some kind of marker. What is that, folks? I don't know, it's just woods, but it has a mailbox, so somebody has to live there. It's a State Route 660. Alright, and it's in that curve too. And we was going to buy that house. No, it wasn't that one. It's right beside that little blue house with the wishing well in front. But I believe... Hold on, don't Tommy live down here? Oh, look at that. What's that? Oh, it's a gated drive. What's it say? Private drive, no trespassing. And that is 4668 and 4670. Oh, wow. And hold on, let me go back. I need to read that sign. Something about Roots Arbor Care Tree Service. Well, that's where Karen went, wasn't it? Anyways, we're going on up. Going on up, folks. It's pretty through there. Huh. What's that, a Mercedes? Is that a white Mercedes, folks? Everybody sure does have some nice-ass cars around here. Seems like they pay more for the car than they do the house sometimes. Post it, no trespassing. Bunch of wood, and that's 4677 Brook Ridge. Going on up. It's just woods over here. And there's some more wood. I guess that's a property line. I don't know. And here's some little green thing. Some little green utility box. Oh, and here's a little... This looks like what comes up on the Appalachian Power meter. One of them little symbols, the round circle with the little, I don't know, slashes on the left and right. And look, they have posted no trespassing. So why can't we put our sign up? Oh, and that's a log cabin. It's a cute little house. And they got bikes in front of their house too. Like that guy where the firehouse pulled into at first and then backed up. So that must be a sign. All right, then we got a van up here, folks. Butler, W.C. Butler, Heating and Air Conditioning Incorporated. And it looks like a guy dressed up with the suit and bow tie. Oh, a bow tie, folks. Holding a plate. The butler did it. Okay, we'll go on down. I bet you old Tommy's house is right around the corner. Alright, this is just woods. Going on up, folks. Going on up. It's pretty. They keep their trees. Coming up on a trash can, folks. Oh, it's nice. They paved a little area off the road to set their trash on. Oh, wow, that's a really nice driveway. That's 4765 Brook Ridge. Wow, that goes on back in there, folks. All right, then. Looks like we got another one of them markers. Oh, no, it looks like maybe some kind of thing, like going underground. Warning. Buried fiber. Huh. I'm surprised it don't say warning. Buried treasure. Ah, then it's some, I don't know, something in the back. Some kind of paper in the back. Well, this says 4099. Well, that ain't right. This ain't 4765 Brook Ridge, see? And it has a D on the mailbox. Like on the left side. Then, that ain't right, folks. That ain't right. Oh, and here's some rocks. Well, I hope they didn't take our little rocks. Anyways, you're going up, and Spencer used to live in this house. Yep, I think it was Spencer Brown, folks. He used to live in that house. Where's his mailbox? Here it is. Huh, that looks like, yep, 4700. So that one's right. Yep, and it has the red things on the end. The two reflections. It looks like a cross. What is that? It's like some piece of wood sticking up, folks. Maybe old stump. But it's real pretty. Pretty house, folks. Alright, then go on up. And all this is public. Anybody can get on here and search this stuff. That must be their well. Telephone pole. Alright. Now this is... Hold on. Oh, come on. It's too blurry. I can't see. But it looks like the mailbox was over here. Finally, thank you. Alright. It says 2023 Google. And that might have been Spencer's house. I'm not sure. This says 47. Yep, this is right. 4740. Yep. Alright. Hold on. That looks like that Tahoe. Okay. And they got a well. Huh. This was 15 years ago. It took me back to 15 years ago. Yep. I believe that might have been Spencer's house. I don't know. Spencer Brown. I mean, I know him, but I think that was his house. And look, Looks like snow around the trees, don't it, folks? It don't look like snow anywhere else, does it? Oh, yeah. There's a little bit across the road, but that snow is perfect around them trees. Huh. Alright, this is April 2023. And did Miss McGee have a car like this? Huh. Dad. Hey, Dad. Didn't Miss McGee used to drive a car like that?
Who?
Miss McGee?
I don't know.
Yeah, because I remember she had that handicap stuff on the back.
What about it?
Looks like her car.
Huh?
Looks like her car.
What are you doing?
Then, huh. So they got Miss McGee's car. Old car. Huh. And then, oh, that looks like a crow, don't it, folks? Oh, wow. And look, an arrow. The tree looks like an arrow. And there's a crow right there. Huh. Let's see what it looks like today. Yep, it's still there, look. So 15 years ago, it looks like that car was there. It looks like a lot like the car, well, no, not 15 years ago. Now, April 2023. That looks like Miss McGee's old car. Old SUV. Ain't that something, folks? Then in March 2009, I think this was Spencer Brown's home. Huh. Let's go on up, folks. Now we're back in the green. I guess that's where it cuts off. Like, maybe it's snowy powder. I don't know. And then, huh. Ain't that something? All these little codes around here. Ain't that something? Alright. Let me go up. Well, that looks like... that looks a lot like Linda Schoonover's car. But it might not be, folks. But it looks like it. Mike and Linda Schoonover. And I saw Mike driving down through here the other, when I was working at Caltech. I saw him. I passed him on this road in his new white truck. Moving on, folks. Moving on. see what it looks like today. Oh, wow. That road's gotten littler, folks. That road has gotten littler. Look, back in 2009, it just looks bigger. It's blurry. I need y'all to fix that. Well, I'm waiting on y'all. Alright. Well, look. But look, and then look. See? See it here. Alright. Then look at it here. Huh. For some reason, it just looks, I don't know. It looks more of like a triangle now. Like it's getting smaller. And it did back in March of 2009. Huh. What's going on, folks? That tree's gone. On the right. Or it just done gotten real little. Huh. Huh. I don't remember any of these cars. That blue one, I don't know. Let's see what's there now. Oh, wow. Look at all that trash. Damn, that fence is falling down and everything. They letting everything grow up. 4897 is across the road from 4798. And 4798, what is that, like an Italian kind of flag? Or Italy, maybe? There's another one of them markers, folks. Buried fiber. Alright, and now, that's that little white house. It says 4897. Then back in March 2009, it just had a trash can there. So back in 2009, I guess they was building that. Because they just put a house up. House number. Huh. Oh, and it's 4 trees cut down back in the day with a red truck. Well, even back then, the same people still lived there because the mailbox is painted the same. So they've been there for a long time, too. Yep. Yep. See what it looks like today. Oh, that's very cute. I like the little fence in the front. Well, not the fence in the front, but going along the sidewalk. Reminds me of the beach or something. Is that a red cup? There's a red cup, folks, in front of that mailbox, that black mailbox. Look at that. I don't remember seeing that, but... And what is this? Look, there's one of them faces again. And that's at that mailbox. Oh, they got a big garage in the back. There's a blue truck. Like Ira and Gary have. And a Monte Carlo. Didn't Danielle's parents used to have one like that? I don't know, folks. Let me see. Let me go back. Alright. Oh, look. In that red cup. Now, it's a P. With the circle and 3 little lines coming out on the bottom. Well, on the side and bottom. Huh, and there's one of them green things again, folks. Huh. See? Because then back in the day, it had a little cup right there. And then now, that's a cute picture. Looks like kind of like a ghost or something. Then now, that was back in March 2009. And now, see, the cup's gone, and it's a little marker. I mean, a little, something sprayed on the road. And that is, looks like $47.98. But let me back up. And a red Charger is there now. That place looks trashy. Look how trashy that place looks now. Damn. And everybody has no trespassing signs up. Why? Damn, is it that bad over here? Maybe most of these neighbors don't get along too good, folks. Maybe it's a lot of killing. Yep. And what's that say? That says $47.93. Then $47.90. I'm not sure, but this says $4.89 maybe. I don't know. But look at that, folks. It's right there over that mailbox. It's painted with the 3 stripes. First it's red, and middle is white, and then I thought it was blue. Let's see. Let's go a little bit further, folks. Yeah, it looks like it's blue. Red, white, and blue. Well, that's the Postal Service colors, right? And that looks like a special mailbox. It says U.S. Mail. Huh, I wonder if I can go mail my letters in that. Because it says U.S. Mail. It don't have like a... It does have a house number on it, but no mailboxes around here have U.S. Mail on them, folks. Huh. And dang, look, he has 3 paper boxes, or somebody lives there, has 3 paper boxes. Damn, they must get, well, it's 3 mailboxes there. So I guess that's 3 paper boxes, you know, for 3 papers. You never know. Yep. Anywho, let's go on down. This is out Bruce's road. Bruce Peters. This is his, well, the road goes in front of his house. Here, let me start a new recording because this is a lot to watch, folks. It was like a little rock. Some under the bushes right there. It's like a little white bag. See it? It's like a white bag full of something. Hopefully it ain't no green.